Hello everyone. Now I have written here 4 words, and if I ask you to choose 2 words out of these 4 words, choose 2 words which are either similar to each other or opposite to each other. Okay, select 2 words out of these 4 words, select 2 words which are either similar or opposite to each other. Most probably, so if you look at here, the 4 words are antediluvian, assemble, dissemble and antiquated. Most probably you will choose these 2 words by saying that assemble is opposite to dissemble. But let me tell you, assemble is not opposite to dissemble. They are in fact completely different from each other. The answer of this question will be this: antediluvian and antiquated, which are similar to each other. Antediluvian, which means very old, highly old fashioned, outdated, and antiquated has the same meaning. Antiquated also means something which is very old, outdated. So the answer of this question is AD, right? But antediluvian and antiquated, these 2 words are not part of today's discussion. Today we are going to discuss these 2 words: assemble and dissemble. In fact, dissemble and disassemble. We are going to discuss these 2 words, dissemble and disassemble, because many times people think that these are opposite words. Dissemble is opposite to assemble, but it is not. It happens because of this prefix dis. Now, if you add this prefix to assemble, then you get 2 words which are opposite to each other. We know that the word assemble is very simple. Assemble is to gather together or fit all the parts or fit all the components together. That is assemble. And disassemble is to separate, take apart. So disassemble is opposite to assemble, whereas dissemble is totally different. To dissemble is to hide your true identity, right? To pretend, to hide your true self. That is what is the meaning of dissemble. All right. So how will you use the word dissemble? Let me take one example. Pictures have always dissemble. Pictures have always dissemble. In the picture, mostly in the family picture, you find people are smiling. People are smiling and they are hiding their true feelings. So in mostly in pictures, when people are smiling, they are actually dissembling. They are dissembling, which means they are hiding their true identity. Okay. Another example of this word dissemble is this not the curse of power? Is this not the curse of power? Forever compelled to conceal and dissemble. Conceal would be similar to dissemble. To conceal is to hide. Okay, so when you are in power, mostly you have to pretend. You have to hide your true identity. You have to show yourself different from each other. So this particular question is asking that, isn't it this the curse of power, right? Dissembling, concealing your true identity, isn't it the curse of power? That is what it is asking the question, and it is in fact saying yes, it is the curse of power. When you are in power, always you have to pretend. Many times, in fact, you have to pretend. You have to show that you are different from what actually you are. So in a way, you have to be hypocrite when you dissemble. So this is what is the meaning of dissemble. It is not opposite to assemble, and opposite to assemble is actually disassemble. All right. I hope you have understood the difference between dissemble and disassemble. Thank you.